Appleton Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra is holding short of runway 30, ready to go.
7526 Delta Sierra, Appleton Tower, runway 30, clear for takeoff, left downwind departure approved.
Clear for takeoff on 30, left downwind departure approved. 526 Delta Sierra.
Alright, so we're going to do a left turn out of here. Alright, clear on approach. Mixture's good. Mixture's good. And rotate. First airport all on the way is Sheboygan. It says broken 5500, so we'll just hang at 3000. Look so happy. The joy of flying. How is the ground speed faster than the air speed and there's no tailwind? Oh. Actually, it's not. The true air speed is 120. Ground speed's 120. Well, it says that's not calibrated for temperature and pressure. The true air speed is. So they remember all the air speeds. Oh. I can see Chicago, it's all hazy. Yep. Alright, so you see these guys, I don't want to run right over the coast, but you can hang it. Seems like when we were coming up, the people going south were kind of on the coast, and the people coming up. Maybe just me making shit up, I don't know, but that's what it seemed like. Alright, you can start climbing back up to 3,000 out of that shelf. Oh, the smoke is getting worse. Those mountains up there? Oh, clouds. Up there? Oh, those are, yeah. Clouds. I was looking above that. Let's turn terrain on. How high are those suckers? Square 1500 and that square 2100. Oh, they're climbing. We gotta get out of this. Didn't even look at that. Yeah, let's climb to 3,000.
Louisville approach, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra.
526 Delta Sierra, Louisville approach.
Louisville approach, we are about 23 to the north inbound from Bowman, like the transition to airspace.
What type are you?
Diamond DA40.
Down 6 Delta Sierra, 0150.
0150, 526 Delta Sierra. Good afternoon, Bowman Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra is 10 to the north with Whiskey inbound, full stop.
November 536 Delta Sierra, Bowman Tower, roger, enter left downwind, runway 6.
Left downwind, runway 6, 526 Delta Sierra.
Let's get rid of that. You want to fly it? Oh, you got it. Let's see your landing prowess.
Bowman Tower, 5840 golf.
That was not my best landing.
Downwind for runway 6, correct?
November 6 Delta Sierra, right way, blue contact ground.
Overground 526 Delta Sierra.
Bowman Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra is holding short of runway 6, ready to go.
Number 526 Delta Sierra, Bowman Tower, your right turn approved, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Right turn approved, runway 6, clear for takeoff, 526 Delta Sierra.
Alright. Ground approach.
Bowman Tower, this is Duchess 51669, inbound full stop with Yankee over the northeast bridge.
For 5166 Mike, Bowman Tower, your left downwind, runway 6.
Left downwind, runway 6, 5, Duchess 569.
5 o'clock.
Good afternoon, Bowman Tower.
Rotate, there you go. You kind of got to start getting sideways on you there.
Yankee for full stop landing. So 612 Bravo Zulu, Bowman Tower, enter right downwind, runway 6. Right downwind, runway 6, 2000 Zulu.
Alright, let's go straight far enough to where we can turn without getting into this tower. Alright, let's make a slow turn to the right and let's start climbing. Let's at least get to 3,000 and see what that does for us. Alright, full throttle. Yeah, you can do full throttle. Then we're going to get higher over the mountains, but let's see if we can get past this smoke and high enough not to hit anything. Alright, got this on terrain, right? Alright, we're gonna keep an eye out if we start seeing any yellow or red. Right there, we're not. See the red? Yeah, that means we're not clearing it.
Concord Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra is 10 to the northwest, inbound landing.
Diamond 526 Delta Sierra, Concord Tower, report a left midfield downwind, runway 2, wind 060 at 4, altimeter 3003.
Left midfield, downwind for runway 2, 526 Delta Sierra.
Hey. Nope, basically no wind.
Tower Archer 391 Delta, midfield right downwind for 2, 391 Delta. Archer 391 Delta, runway 2, clear to land. Runway 2, clear to land, 391 Delta.
I'll pull your power back, get down to your...
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, traffic off your left wing, 2 miles inbound for Concord is a Malibu 3,400.
Roger that, looking for traffic, 526 Delta Sierra.
They gonna pass us? I don't know. Where did he clear up to go?
Traffic, 9 o'clock, high,
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, traffic passenger top heavy now, 3,200.
We have traffic in sight, 526 Delta Sierra.
So he's gonna
Diamond 6
pass.
Delta Sierra, roger. Traffic's gonna overtake you, so follow them in the left downwind for runway 2.
Roger that, follow them for the left downwind of 2, 526 Delta Sierra.
He's making his base turn. He's 900 above us. Got
Concord Tower, I have traffic in sight, 526 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, runway 2, number 2 behind that traffic, clear to land.
Number 2 for runway 2, clear land, 526 Delta Sierra.
Alright. Don't want to make your base turn till you pass him going in on his final. So you just kind of keep, because he took it really wide. Just keep your distance where you want it, your speed. Like your speed down a little bit. Alright, I got him. I gained a little bit out. Alright, that's fine. Pull your power back. Okay. So he's rocketing in here, so let's go ahead and just start getting back. Pull your power back. Really wide.
Altitude.
Where is it there? He just passed the interstate? Okay. Now I lost him. Oh, I see him. Alright, go ahead and make your turn. About 80 knots. We're farther out than normal, so we're probably going to have to do some power, but we need to descend. And power's fine. You're low, so add power. That's fine. I just don't want to come up on him too quick. He's just passing building right there. Okay. Alright, this is fine. You can actually slow it down a little more because you don't need to go this fast. Just hold altitude. Don't let that go away. Let's slow your speed down. Go back to 80. And once you do your turn in, we can kind of see where you are. Want to go too fast. Alright, you can start your turn.
Malibu 595 Sierra Mike, thank you.
Alright, so you're low. So just go level. Go fast. Slow down. At about 80. So now you want to be about 75. Just fly level at 75 till you get the poppy back. Alright, you want your full flaps? Oh, sure. Alright, that balloon's right on. Alright, now you're right on it. So 75. You know you're going to sink. You feel it already. I feel sink. See, we lost our pappy. That's good. Keep about 75 till you get your pappy back. Power, you're still a little low. 5. Okay, now you got her nice. Now you can start easing that power back. But down. Alright, do a little high on the flare.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, turn left on Delta, taxi Alpha to the ramp.
Left on Delta, Alpha to the ramp, 526 Delta Sierra.
Alright, straight.